Hey everyone, welcome back. It's been a little bit since I made a video. Just wanted to update everyone. It's been a long, busy winter here up in Michigan. The snow is cleared up and we decided to get our spring cleaning going, and we'll be scrapping out all our vehicles this summer. We got about 300 cars that are going to get crushed, and as you can see, these cars have been pretty picked at, and we're gonna get some more fresh inventory for everyone. We also got new management here, so we've been kind of busy with the changeover. As you can look around, a lot of empty cars. These are gonna get all crushed out, get fresh inventory in here. A lot of guys have been complaining about what we've been crushing out, but here in Michigan, we're licensed only for parts. So, just because the car looks nice doesn't mean it's roadworthy. And we get a lot of guys complaining about you should rebuild them, resell them. We don't do that. We're a metal processing place. We part out the vehicles, scrap out the bodies, recycle the metal. That's why you see these cars getting crushed out and they look real nice, but we can't do nothing about it. The licensing from the state and all the regulations, we have to follow them. There are a lot of nice cars that we would like to rebuild and put it back on the road, but they're not roadworthy. And we get a lot of vehicles that are flooded, and a lot of vehicles that have been totaled, and they can't be retitled and resold. As you can see, this yard is pretty picked at. Not too much left on these bodies. And once we fill it up with fresh stock, we'll be updating some videos for everyone. And if you want to check out any parts, just go to houseofautoparts.com. You can search all the inventory you need for any kind of vehicle. We update our inventory daily, and we do about 1,000 cars a year, so I'm sure we can get you what you need. Appreciate everybody watching, and I'll be back at you as soon as I can. Thank you.